Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MoneyGram. We hope you are doing great. New $1,200 plus $600 monthly checks for the low income. What they are saying. The proposal for the national-wide guaranteed basic income program has gained momentum, aiming at providing ongoing monthly payments to the low-income individual by the intentionally introducing a few years ago. The idea refers to recently it is being seriously considering over the 100 localized program already providing unconditional monthly payments of the recipients. Across the country, the plan is to transfer from these local initiatives to a federal program that covers all low incomes individuals. The original proposal involved small-scale pilot program to test the flexibility and the effectiveness of the idea. These programs have the yield positive result, indicating the recipients and the benefiting from the additional income and the using it for initials like food, shelter, and the result discussions about the implementing a broader national-wide program have. The proposal outline is a monthly payment of $1,200 for the adults and the extra $600 for each dependent child under the 18 married couple would receive the $2,400 in the total per month. The program's potential economic impact of the significant as the funds recipients and stimulus local economics, creates a job and generate tax revenue. However, concern about the political infections due to increased spending, the arising and delicate balance between the economic stimulations and the inflections control needs carefully consideration. Overall, the proposal represents the concurrence and the economic theory, social policy, and the practical consideration. It aimed to the address economic inequality, improve the lives in the low income individual, and the stimulus national economic growth. The ongoing discussion, the highlighting the complexity of the issue and its potentially reshapes economic assistance to the social support in the country. Thank you for the watching entire video. Hope this information is helpful for you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.